Okay, we left yesterday. We got too late. So we're back at Conkles Hollow. The weather's holding out. And we're going to do the trail down the middle, which is the Gorge Trail. Should just be about a mile. So, should be quick and easy. And then we have some errands to run today. And then headed towards Columbus for some Columbus stuff. I know the capital is on the list. All right, we made it to the end of the trail. There was a short section that we just finished that was not paved, maybe a quarter mile, and it got us to the waterfall right there. But very nice hike. Most of it was handicap accessible, and then it's really pretty down here in the gorge as far as all these nice ferns and that sort of thing. A little chilly this morning. We got May 1st going on. But just a really pretty. But yesterday we walked on the top rim of it, and today we're down in there, and it looks a lot different from both. Both are worth it, but this is definitely, I think, one of our top hikes in the area, Hocking Hills area. This is the Buckeye.
In the Buckeye State.
So.
You got to.
'Tis the season.
These are Amish made. So.
There we go. All right, now we're going to get a little tour of the capital of Ohio.
which is super common at the time period. We worked on this place during that 22-year period.
All right, next up is Otherworld. Should be a kind of a neat, unique experience of the area. It'll be weird. I almost fell down to nothing. Oh no. That's a mirror. The record player. This is the best room. Oh, it just plays automatically. I don't think this is anything. That's a dead end. I got all the way to totally dead end. It was dark and got snug. You just went over there to it? I thought maybe you went downstairs, you know? Okay. Oh, weird. It's a mirror. It's not a mirror, but it's a mirror. Go walk up to the mirror.
Well, I don't see me.
I know. All right, and tonsils.
Oh, it's tonsil.
Karate kick.
Because these are the teeth.
Oh yeah, and tongue. You're sitting on a tongue. Drop the beat. I'm in. Oh, that's the corner. This is the way for sure. Oh, that's the corner.
There you are. Oh boy. That looks like it's confusing. That's the exit.
I think so.
We can come back in. Oh, it does say exit. I'm gonna turbo it. Yeah, for safety. Here we go, walking down the mirrored hallway. Oh boy, oh, different light colors bring out different things. It all makes sense now. No blue. White. Good luck in there. I see her. I'm worried it's a mirror, so I don't hold my hand out. Oh no! Oh no! Here's a mirror thing. There's no mirrors. It's just tubes. It's just tubes.
Yeah.
I was worried it's mirrors. They're still blown up though. There they go, Will be. A little bit tight up in here. Drop the phone. Too many tentacles. Okay. I found a hole. Where did I come out of? Is it that way? I got lost in there. Woo! I got lost in there. Okay. We've been stuck to that room earlier. It's an allergy.